Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my hair again, bleaching it some more because I just won't stop with the bleach, and I just wanted to get kind of that reddish tinge out of my hair. So I did my hair, and I also did a little mini vlog of how us, my family, and our cousins are kind of hanging out during lockdown. We are outside at the rinks, so I just did a little vlog of us at the rinks. So if you guys would like to see the video of me touching up my hair again and just our family at the rink, then just keep watching. Alright, so what I'm going to do for my highlights is just starting to take small sections around my face, and I'm either going to weave them, or I'm going to weave them and then back comb them as I'm applying the bleach and putting them in the foils. The back combing just helps the highlight look more seamless and not just such a blunt defined line, because I'm trying to pull the highlight away from the root for the balayage, ombre, baby light look. When you back comb it, it just helps it look a little bit more natural. So I'm just doing the front of my hair, a couple baby pieces in the front and around the sides as well. So for the bleach, I'm just using Joico's Blonde Life, as well as 10 vol. I'm just keeping the bleach, the peroxide, at a very low peroxide as opposed to 10, 20, 30, 40. The higher up you go in peroxide, the stronger it activates the bleach. So I just want to keep the bleach really light because I have so much blonde underneath this dark. It's different when you're going from your natural color to light, and you don't have any bleach underneath, but because I have years of bleaching underneath from when my hair was white blonde, my hair is going to be a lot more fragile. I do have really strong hair for bleaching in general, but I just want to take it really lightly, and I've gone over it already a couple times with the bleach, so it's starting to become more fragile. So I'm just using 10 vol. I'm not using any heat. Heat also really activates the bleach and really opens up the cuticle and makes the hair a lot more fragile. It helps lighten the hair a lot more when you want a white blonde. Whenever I'm doing my bleach outs, I will always use the dryer, sit under the dryer to help get a lot lighter blonde. But because my hair is so fragile, I'm just not going to use any heat. I will always keep an eye on my foils. If I feel like one's developed quicker than the other, then I'll rinse that one in the sink with a little bit of shampoo, put some blue shampoo on it, and just rinse that bleach off while the other ones are still developing. And that's why I'm doing this in stages, little pieces at a time, because I can control those pieces a lot better than if I put a bunch of foils in my head. Now I'm toning my hair, so I'm using 7A again, and then I mixed a little bit of the Pulp Riots Silver in as well, and now I'm just letting the blue shampoo sit in my hair for about 10 minutes just to add a little bit of extra neutralization on the orangey brassy color. So I've lifted out that reddish tone. It's still really warm, so it's definitely a work in progress, but I'm just gonna slowly keep doing it. The last time that I went from a dark 5NN, which was the color I was now, back to blonde, it took a good year. So it's a very slow process if you want to keep your hair. Like when I did it, I had to cut my hair shorter, cut it shoulder length. So I don't really want to cut my hair this time. It's the longest it's ever been. So I'm just going to keep doing little piece by little piece. Like I've done it probably another 10 times since this video, and so far I've only really had a little bit of breakage once. So I'm just gonna keep going in with little foils once or twice a week, and then yeah, that's how I'm gonna lighten it and try to get it blonder for the summertime. So I'm just blow drying it now and smoothing it out with the round brush, and yeah, and then I'm gonna curl it after this. just wanted to show you guys my hair outside in the natural light because it always looks so different in each lighting. Sometimes it looks more reddish, sometimes it looks more ashy. So I used the 7A again from Joico, and this time instead of the violet from Pulp Riot, I used the silver from Pulp Riot, and I think that works better. I think the silver was the violet was adding like a reddish tone to it because it looks a lot cooler in some spots. Some spots it's still pretty warm, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys again in my next video.